another exciting episode of High Events. We are delighted to be with you this festive season, and today we witness the launch of Independence Market, the first ever shoppertainment experience in Sri Lanka. We've got some great vendors here, SMEs, entrepreneurs showcasing their amazing products, and it's going to be a day full of entertainment. So stay with us as we take you through this. Udara Ratnayaka with me right now, the founder and the main person behind the Independence Market. Hi Udara, how does it feel to be here to see all of this come alive?
Yes, Independent Market is the concept. All the entrepreneurs in all island come and freely come and put their products, and they can meet their customers. Also, this is good for customers. They can come and enjoy Sri Lanka's first shoppertainment experience, shopping plus entertainment. I welcome all the vendors join with us and register with us. Then they can show their products, and I welcome all the customers. Please help local vendors. Come to the arcade every Saturday. We will be here. You all can enjoy shoppertainment experience, Sri Lanka's first experience, shopping plus entertainment.
Now, talking about this first time experience that we're going to have, this shoppertainment experience, how did this whole concept come about, and what was your sort of vision of having this whole thing?
Yes, during the COVID-19 season, we all were stuck at home, and we all are. I worked for 12 years in private sector. Then I know the concept behind the entrepreneurs and how they are struggling, and especially this time of period. So we were thinking, then we were discussing with Bhati and Santush. Then only concept came. Shopping is anyway there. We have lots of local entrepreneurs, lots of local products. Then we were thinking, what is the new concept we can give to the customers? Then shopping plus entertainment, shoppertainment came up.
Nice. So now also tell me, how can, what sort of a benefit will the vendors, the SMEs and the entrepreneurs have by coming on board with the Independence Market?
Yes, Independence Market is happening at Independence Arcade, very premier location. So they will be a solely authorized person for their product. They can showcase their product to the customers. We have no intermediate person. So this will be a central locations for all the Colombo people, urban development. Then they can highly introduce their product to the market. That is the main objective.
So if there are any SMEs or entrepreneurs out there who want to come on board, how does the process work?
Yes, they can contact me. The process is they should have local manufactured product, plus they should be a local person, Sri Lankan person. Then only they can come on board. They can't they can't purchase from outside, and they can't sell at the market. They should have manufactured on their own. That is the concept behind, and that is the process. Anyone who is manufacturing, they can come and join with us.
We have someone who needs no introduction. Hi Bhati, how does it feel to be here?
Good. It's actually very kind of, I'm here with a lot of hope.
That's all what we need. So tell me about your involvement in this project.
So in technical terms, this is not a Bhati and Santush involvement as per se, but this is, as you see, we have a company called Showtown and we have a company called Honda Works. So this is an involvement of those two companies. How this happened was about 3 months ago, the creators of Independence Market, it's not us who created it, but creators of Independence Market, they came to meet us. And they had come to meet our GM and the staff and everybody, and they had said, we want to do this, but we don't have the kind of strength to put this together. Can you help us out? So, but by that time what we realized was they had a massive amount of strength because they had done about 80% of the work. They had a little bit more, to put the event together and to make this, some sort of a thing which goes on for a long time. So when these guys came and told us, because how it happened was our staff also saw the opportunity in this, and it was they who came and said, this is a massive opportunity for us to really go and assist, get there, be a part of assisting our own Sri Lankan entrepreneurs. So when that opportunity came, we thought, okay, let's go and let's become a part of this, and let's try to help them out and in any way that we can, and let's try to grow this into a very commercially lucrative kind of a market on the long run for our own entrepreneurs, our Sri Lankan entrepreneurs. And when you come to this market, you'll see that you get people from all over Sri Lanka, Colombo, Galle, Kandy, Anuradhapura, Hikavaratiya, Nuwara, I'm just saying some of the names, right, from everywhere in the island. So that's the beauty of this, and you see products from every nick and corner of this island showcased. And to put it short and sweet, that makes me really happy.
Now, what are your thoughts on this whole project and also the exposure that the entrepreneurs and the SMEs get through the independence market?
So see, this is a place where they can showcase their products, and also the other advantage is the creators of Independence Market, they have done a partnership with the government and the corporate sectors as well. So they are bringing both the expertise from the government sector and also the corporate sector into this. So in that kind of environment, it's an environment where the entrepreneurs can reach out to both these sectors in order to see where they can go beyond this. So that opportunity is given to them at the Independence Market. So that's the speciality in this. It's not just a market where people come and buy and go. So what's happening with this is the creators of Independence Market, they have put together a long-term mechanism. It's still not, it is in place, but it'll take some time to operate, where they are getting the support of the government and also the corporate sector, because you need both these sectors in order for entrepreneurs to really thrive. So they're bringing both these sectors together and giving them the reach, because usually what happens with the entrepreneur in Sri Lanka is they don't have that much of a reach towards the government sector, and nor do they have that much of a reach to the private sector. And also we're trying to get the large scale private sector partners to see these to see the SMEs and these entrepreneurs as a strength to their bigger business environment rather than a competitor. This is what we should be doing, and to see where we can take I will kind of rephrase it. We want to get the larger corporates to see how they can partner with these SMEs and make them part of their larger network. So that way, it will be a win-win situation for both.
One last question. Now, you've been someone who has worked with many brands, you've traveled across the world. What do you see? What is the potential of the Sri Lankan entrepreneurs and the SMEs? Especially you got to see some today. What do you think their potential is?
See, the issue that we see in a lot of entrepreneurs, that creativity is like 1000%. It's not just 100, it's 1000. But when it comes to the creation, the product, fantastic world-class products. Only thing where they lack is how to get this product out there, to get it marketed. So we want to start thinking, and we want others also start thinking of how to create an environment where these entrepreneurs can actually reach out and get the expertise, advice, and get people on board. If they cannot, if they don't have that kind of capital to spend on marketing, how they can get on board with other partners and how they can benefit, how both parties can benefit and get these products out and get these marketed. So the main issue is they create the brand, but they don't make it into a brand. So that is what we are looking at, and that is the main focus of this particular Independence Market, and this is what we're trying to do.
Chiranthi with us right now, one of the entrepreneurs from this project. Hi Chiranthi, how are you feeling? How does it feel to be here?
Yes, it's a nice feeling. I'm fine.
So tell me, how did you get involved in this project?
Really, I was looking for a marketplace for my children's garments. It's really done by ex-soldiers, ex-women soldiers and soldiers' wives, because the ex-women soldiers, they leave their job after working for 15 years and they're still young and they have to support their young children. So then for them only I started this project doing children's garments. Mainly I do only handwork. It's smocking and hand embroidery only. So I have quite a good market and I hope the people will enjoy the product with the entertainment here.
And Yashendra with us right now. Hi, first of all, tell me, what's your involvement in this project?
Yes, we are good friends of Udara, so we thought that we should support at this moment to Udara, because we are talking about first shoppertainment experience in Sri Lanka. So we thought of that the concept is good and also the initiative is good, and I was pretty sure that this will sustain and continue to grow. So as friends in a voluntary capacity, we are supporting Udara and her team to organize and to conduct this event. And I'm pretty sure that more consumers will come and get this entertainment. More shoppers will be entertained, and also I think more investors will come. More the shop holders, I would say, the stall holders will come. This will grow, and I can foresee that this will grow to the other areas of the country as well.
Now, a problem that many Sri Lankan entrepreneurs and SMEs face is that, they can always start a business, but to sustain the business is a problem. How do you think this platform will, help them sort of get, overcome this situation?
Yes, I believe when I see this crowd, these investors and also these entrepreneurs, I think this independence market being the first shoppertainment experience, Udara and the team is creating a typical win-win situation here. So it's not one-man show. It's not just the shopper. It's not just the stall holder. It's not the organizer. It's an collective team effort. So I'm sure, in order to directly answering your question, in order to sustain this collaborative approach, creating a typical win-win situation to all the stakeholders, will support to sustain.
Fiona Nanakar with us right now, the founder of News Publishers. Hi Fiona, tell me, what are your thoughts on this project and what's your involvement in this?
So we partnered with the Independence Market to provide them publicity and promote the local vendors who tie up with them every week to promote their products from island-wide. So that is our role in terms of providing publicity.
So now when you speak about this independence market, it's sort of a platform to encourage entrepreneurs and SMEs and so on. So, and given the fact that Sri Lanka is still at a very low percentage when it comes to things like that, how will this platform, sort of encourage them and their products and everything else?
So we are not going to change the world overnight, obviously, but these are small steps that we can work towards, empowering the local entrepreneurs into, building their dream. Because like the chief guest mentioned earlier, right, we entrepreneurs are people who see processes and products from A to C. So this gives us that training to really take responsibility, accountability, and also give that service quality to the client. So this is a great opportunity to inspire the entrepreneurs to step into, working their dream out instead of maybe, working every day, day in, day out for someone else.
Now, in your opinion, what sort of an exposure does one get once they get on board with the independence market?
So when the vendors tie up with the independence market, this is not catered just to the Colombo population. You will find products which are relevant to even mass audiences. So just because the location is in Colombo doesn't mean it's targeted just for the Colombo population. And also this will benefit island-wide because they hope to take this independence market to other locations of the country. So everybody will have an equal benefit of taking part in the Sri Lankan entrepreneurship program.
Independence Market will act as a great platform for all budding entrepreneurs and SMEs in Sri Lanka. It's a wrap from this end. Until I see you again, take care and stay safe.